Hello all and welcome to my YouTube channel where we will be learning the Unix commands. So today we will see all these commands like WC count the number of lines, words, characters in a file, or count the means whatever command has been executed. If we are passing that command to WC command, then check what exactly number of lines, words and characters are there. Now coming to the next one, this is a pipe. This is not L. Okay, so I will just type over here. This is L. This is small L. This is 1. Now I'm using MacBook, so this is what is happening, is printing on my system. And then the symbol which appears exactly above enter key, that is pipe symbol. So there is a reason why I'm drawing all these things. If you see, this is small l, then this is numeric 1, and then this is pipe symbol. So pipe symbol is, of course, if you can see by your eyes, this is bigger than this one as well as L. So don't get confused with L or numeric 1. This is a pipe symbol. After that, who am I? So if we execute who am I command, what output we will get? Then who command, who means if you execute who command, how many users are connected to your system, that will show like 1 2 3 4 5, all those names will appear over there. Then what is command, how to make use of what is command, as well as yeah, one more thing I can add here is where is. So we will see where is also. Then uname, so we will go through the uname man page also. And then finally we will see calculator, calendar and calculator. CAL stands for calendar and BC stands for calculator. So let's go to our terminal. So on our terminal we will see all these things. Let me just clear the screen. I have written script is ready, so that first we will execute the command and then we will see how we can incorporate all those things in the script. So I'm on script. Let me go to the command folder and I will, as usual, first I will execute pwd command and I will see how many files or folders are there. Okay, so if you see, if I just type ls-l, I have to manually count it. So of course in this practice session or in this learning session we can count it 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, but in real life scenario it is not possible to count it manually. So usually sometimes what people do, cat hyphen n, but of course this one also we are not going to use. So this is just one confirmation that okay, there are not 10 but 9 files. Of course we are not supposed to consider this one. So how to count how many files or directories are there? So the command is ls, then use ls, then use pipe symbol. So the purpose of pipe symbol is we are passing the output of ls. Let me first execute ls. So this is the output of ls command. Then ls pipe. So we are passing this output to wc command and then hit enter. So it is stating there are 9 lines, 9 words and 90 characters. So this is what it is. So how you will get confirmation that okay, here there are only 9 lines. So that's why to give you that confirmation I executed this one before. So let's do one more thing, ls pipe wc, because we just want number of lines, so we will execute like this way. So that's all, it will provide only number of lines. Now you can do man wc and you will get the complete documentation. So this was it, as it says, wc utility displays the number of lines, words and bytes contained in each input file. Now how we use wc, we use the output of ls command to count the number of lines. So this is what the option we use, hyphen l. If you use hyphen c, you will get output in this term. If you use -m or -w, you will get output in this format. Now I will come out of this. So this is how we just saw that, okay, wc count the number of lines, words, character, then how to make use of pipe. Now let's execute who am I, who, and don't worry, anyway we are going to use all these commands in our script execution. So I will type who am I. So this is what the person who is logged on onto the system, that person name would be visible. So we will see this also. Then let's go ahead and see who. So if you are working on a server and you want to see how many people, how many resources are logged on onto that server, to know that, to know their names, we usually execute who command only. Now of course this is my laptop, and I'm the only person who is logged on onto this laptop, so of course only one output will be there always. Then next is what is. So let's type what is and then command. So like we are executing who, so we will say what is who. So see, it says displays who is logged in. It gives a brief description of who in this format. Then let's try one more time what is wc, because wc also a command. So this is the description, this command what is providing about wc. Now let's try what is, and I will just see Weibo. So of course there is no such thing as Weibo in operating system, so this kind of output we will receive, nothing appropriate, which is what is actually expected. Now next is where is. So as what is provides us the description of the command. If it is valid one, it will provide the description. If it is invalid, like this way, it will say nothing appropriate. So where is will provide the path where this command is located on our server. So as I'm scrolling down, because of this I will clear the screen and I will again start from here. Where is, just now we type who am I. So it is available over here, user bin who am I. Then again we will try one more time, where is ls. So it is available under bin ls. Now next is uname. Yeah, uname is, sometimes this is what production support team keep on asking, to make sure that we should include all these things in the script execution. So let's try the man page of uname command. Print operating system name. So uname will print the operating system name. Like on this system, the operating system is Darwin. So this is Mac OS. Now, usually we miss the way the requirement is there. We will use these options. So like print the operating system release, print the operating system name, or print node, like this way. So I will just come out of this. And I will say uname -a. Now to understand this, you can go back to that man page and say uname man uname. So -a behave as though all the options -m n r s v were specified. So these are the options m n r s v. So all these options we have provided means all uname -a. So I will come out of this, I will quit this. Then let's go ahead and check. Okay, calendar. Now usually Unix guys, Linux guys, Sun Solaris guys, when they are working on system, means rather than checking the calendar on your desktop, they can check the calendar like this way also. So if you do man calendar, it will provide you all these options. So I will come out of this. Then you can try this calendar option, you can try those options. And moreover, when we have date command, we know all those date options and everything, so we can make use of that date also. Now whatever video means I am recording, and whenever you are going to see that there could be a difference, but don't worry, try this command on your system. Next is BC. So let's try. Okay, let me first clear the screen and let's try BC. BC means calculator. So I will say 2 plus 2, 4. Then so let's say 20 multiplied by 10, 200, or let's say 4 divided by 6. Okay, that 6 divided by 3. So correct, this is 2, or let's say 4 modulus 2, so 0, that is 5 modulus modulus 2, 1, which is correct. Then let's check the 2 to the power of 2, 4. So like this way also you can perform all these calculations. So I will just do quit and I will move out of calculator. I will clear the screen and let's see how we can make use of these commands in our shell script. So in our shell script, if you see, yes, this one we are using all the time. Then we are mentioning echo script execution is happening under user, correct? So this is what we are using over the system name as. Now, as you know that okay, in actual production environment, the same script is getting utilized on different servers. So if you include all these things, then under which user, on which system the same script is getting executed, it is very easy for production support guys to understand on which system the script has executed. Now here we are moving to the we are going to some path and we are checking pwd, that is as usual. So for this purpose we are doing this thing. So total number of files and directories available on that path is. So let's try to execute the shell script. Okay, I haven't provided execute permission. User plus x script underscore wc. Okay, let me first check whether am I on that path. No, I am not on script path. So let me first move to the script path. Change mode user plus x script underscore wc. Yup. So we are good to execute this shell script then. Okay, so this is what it is saying. Okay, let me just bring this screen down so that it will be easy to understand this, read the script and understand the output also. Okay, the first one is successful. Export dmy echo today's date is, then who am I, uname. So the script execution is happening under user, which is my name, over the system the way I have shown. This is my operating system. Then echo pwd, so it is moving onto this path, and then again this command execution is happening. So first ls, then wc-l, and then it prints the message total number of files directories available onto this path is -9. So if you remember, if you see, if you go to this path cd, copy, paste, and I will execute this command as is, ls wc-l. So there are 9 files. Now the output of this command itself is like this way, in this format. So that's why this space is coming. But don't worry, when we will reach to those kind of commands where we can remove this space, definitely we will remove this space. So I will do one thing. I will just clear the screen and I will do ls-l. So in the way I was explaining previously, practically it is not possible in real life scenario that we will be able to count. So for that purpose we should always use ls-wc, count the number of lines, words or characters. Now let's, so this is about the script execution and the way we have used this one. Now let's do one thing. Can we make use of wc on a file? So if you see, this is directory, okay, this is file. So I will do one thing, wc, this is the command, and I will write down this file name test1.txt, and now do cat test1.txt. So when we have executed wc command, what it says, there are three lines, there are 14 words and 68 characters inside test1.txt. So let's see. Okay, so this is something different. Now what exactly has happened over here? So let's of course, means uh, on which path we are. Oh, something, I don't know what exactly happened, but let's try one more time. So this is cat and wc test1.txt. So three lines, 14 words. So let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Yeah, 14 words are there and 68 characters. Now of course I'm not going to count the characters, but yes, this is how it is. Not sure what exactly happened in the previous command, but yes, this one is absolutely right. So this is what about all this. It is a good practice that we should always include all these things in any of the shell script, because this helps the production support guys to understand what exactly is happening inside the shell script. I hope you have liked this session. Please hit like button on my channel and subscribe to my channel as well. Thank you.